Hi, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Diecast Replicas unboxing. So today we are going to unbox the recent release of Tomica Limited Vintage Edition Subaru Sambar pump fire engine truck with the figure. So this is how it comes in the box. As you can see, it's a nice looking pretty little neat box. So if we walk around the box, you can see that it shows what is included along with this fire truck. You can see there's the figure, there's a fire hose and a bucket, and the Sambar fire engine. So that's the side of the box, and on the rear side you have a bunch of manufacturer details that are in Japanese, and also the picture of the fire truck and the included accessories. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So that is the fireman figure. As you can see, figure there. That's the fire hose. It's a tiny little bucket. Another fire hose, and finally the truck itself. Looks really cute and pretty detailed. So this is an actual truck itself, the Sambar pump fire engine that has been used in the Japanese fire department. So Tomica has done a great job replicating this exact model. So as you can see, the truck itself is pretty detailed. On the front you have the headlights, the logo, and there are also wipers, and the interior is quite detailed as well. So you have the simple accessories that came in the truck originally. There's some place to store your accessories as well, and on the rear side you can see Subaru Sambar logo there. I don't know if this comes with suspension. No, it doesn't have suspension, so unlike in other models, this doesn't come with suspension, so it's pretty tight, and the wheels can roll as well. Alright, so let's try to put these small accessory holder buckets. Let's see if it works. This one I believe will go on here, and the bucket will also probably go here. Not holding up pretty well, but it's fine. At least we can replicate. At least you can replicate the details. Alright, so guys, that's the review of the latest Subaru Sambar pump fire engine by Tomica Limited Vintage. So if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that we can bring in some latest and greatest unboxings from Tomica and other releases. So until next time, stay tuned. Thank you.